Hey everyone, welcome to another installment of Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and I figured since we are just about halfway through the summer season, why not finish off the summer blizzard menu here at Dairy Queen. This is the final flavor from the Dairy Queen All-Star menu, and it has been a while since I've actually recorded one of these. Now seems like a good time though to try the Very Cherry Chip flavor from Dairy Queen. Let me give you a look-see there. You can see it's pink, obviously indicating a cherry-like property. We got some chips in there, some chocolate chips. It pretty much is living up to the name visually. I'm going to go ahead and give this a try. So I do want to say, for clarity's sake, that they did add a variation on the drumstick blizzard, the caramel drumstick blizzard, but I don't know. I feel like I'm doing so many of these blizzard videos. I've done so many over the past couple months that I really don't want to, oversaturate the channel with it, even though it feels like it's too late for that. And I haven't had it, but I can only assume it's just the drumstick blizzard with some caramel in it. So I feel like a video on that might not be necessary. So I'll just say this. This will probably be the last blizzard video I do until they come out with a new menu or a new flavor or whatever. So probably until like September. So anyway, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get our first taste of the Very Cherry Chip Blizzard. This is a big chunk of chocolate in here. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, right away. Like right as you put the ice cream in your mouth, you get that cherry flavor. It's a nice, sweet, it's almost like a candied cherry. You know how the cherries on sundaes, those aren't like real cherries. They're like, they're still cherries, but they're not like your average cherry. They're kind of sweet, and this is kind of what that tastes like. Very sweet, but very much that, I don't even know if you'd say tart, like fruit flavor to it. It's very good. And with the chocolate mixed in, it kind of provides a nice balance to it, because you kind of get that rich, savory chocolate flavor. It mixes in with it. I gotta say, I haven't had a lot of experience with cherry ice cream, to be honest with you. It's kind of why I was saving this one for last. Of all the flavors on the All-Star menu, I wouldn't say that this is the best, but this is definitely like this is kind of a surprise hit for me. I really like it. It's a different kind of experience from all the other ones. All the other ones are kind of based on like drumsticks, cheesecake, all the other different kinds of sweet experiences, and then you have this, which is, like I said, that candied cherry type flavor to it. Really complemented by of chocolate pieces in here. I had like one big chunk of chocolate in here. And I guess that kind of spoiled me because I've been looking for like another big... Oh, here we go. If you can see that. That is a huge chunk. I'm just going to take one more bite because I think I made my point on this, but... Yeah. You know what? This is a winner. This is definitely a winner. I gotta say it for the very cherry chip. Thumbs up. And thumbs up to Dairy Queen. 2 thumbs up to Dairy Queen for this All-Star Blizzard menu. It's definitely been a delight for me to go out and try all the different flavors. You know, it took me a little longer than I would have liked to, but now we're finally done with the All-Star Blizzard menu, and there's still plenty of summer to go. So I would definitely, you know, give some of these flavors a try. You know, I mean, you're bound to find, I feel like everyone's bound to find one that's like their favorite, so you never know. I would definitely recommend trying at least a couple of them. You don't have to be, you know, a maniac and try them all like me, but go ahead and give some of these a try, and I think you will definitely find one worth savoring. So that's going to do it for me. I'll be back with another non-Blizzard video. And I just wanted to say I hope everyone's having a great summer. I'm having a pretty good one myself. You know, thank you all for watching and supporting, and if you'll excuse me, I've got a Blizzard to finish.